Hello everybody, it's JBM Travels here, the true UK traveller, with another unboxing video. So I hope you enjoy. So I'm going to be unboxing my new camera, which is the Panasonic hc-v720 Full HD 1080p. That is. And let's open the camera bag. How do we do it? This way. Here we go, open it up, and you will find inside comes with a Panasonic charger. You need to clean that stickiness off it. This has been tested. So I'm going to put that there. You've got the camera. You have another pocket here. This has a USB. Could put that there. You've got another one here. Oh sorry, got something in my eye. Which has the well, I forget what you call it, shoe adapter. It is, you've got the shoe adapter here, which plops in here, just like that. Open it up and you pull that down like that and it comes out like that. So I believe it's got another pocket here. Is there anything in it? Don't believe there is. Nope. So we're going to put that all to the ground. Put that there. That there. We're going to keep that over here for a second. So here's the camera. As you can see, that's the camera. So here we have the camera, and as you can see, it has a flash on the front, and you can see the lens cover is currently closed as the camera is not on, to stop the lens from getting scratched or any dirt inside of it. Also, as we turn it to this side, I'll bring it forward, we have a flap for your charger to go in, which looks like that. What else do we have on this side? We have a thing down there, down there where you will tap your NFC device on there. Moving to the back, you have a battery and a shoe mount for your shoe mount adapter to put in there. Moving to the side, you have a IA button. You also have a OIS button, which I do not know what those buttons do at the moment. But yeah. Moving to the top, which I'll show you. Moving to the top, I'll show you. Turning it sideways, you have a zoom button there, which is this one here. This one is a zoom button. Then here you have a photo button to take your photos, I believe. Here you have your microphone and your speaker, I believe. And turning it around on the bottom here, this flap here, if I can close it back, open it, close it, open it, is for your SD card, which is on the bottom. Doesn't interfere with the tripod, so that's a good thing. So now, turning it to the side, I'm going to bring it closer. I'm going to move myself to the side. You have a adapter, a release button rather, to release the shoe mount. You have a USB plug adapter. You have a HDMI adapter to plug in your HDMI. You have a microphone, but a microphone 3.5mm head jack. You have a on-off switch there, a Wi-Fi button, an AV button, a release button for the battery. And now let's turn the camera on. to see what it is like. I haven't set anything up on the camera, so you will only see this for now, but if you would like to see any more of that, I will do another video on the actual camera when it is set up, so you can see what it looks like on the 3-inch screen. I believe it's a 3-inch screen. I will find the specs, and I will link them in the description down below, so you can all check them out. So that will be in the description down below. And yeah, that is the camera. Right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.